Chewy. Hey guys, this is Zarina with What the F***'s in My Mouth, where we find Mount SAC students daring enough to try some new foreign food.
My name is Brian Emerson. We go around Mount SAC getting students to try foreign food that they wouldn't normally eat. Today we have Angelica.
So today we're here with Adam and myself to see what we got.
It's not like frosted. Oh wait, I've seen that. I think.
You know what this is?
Chickpeas, I think.
Yeah.
Oh, that's weird. That feels weird.
Can you smell it? Okay.
I feel like this is something I've seen in my Asian market.
Just gonna go for it.
Chewy.
No, I did not expect that like bone inside of there. I was like, wait a second, that's a surprise.
Me neither.
I was like, wait.
You can just eat around it. Eat the skin of it.
I don't even eat chicken in general that much. I don't like the bones from birds. So when I hit that bone, I was like, oh shit. Oh fuck me.
What is so yummy about this? There's like
Feel the
nothing.
finger bones.
There's like nothing to it. It's like bones and look. I can't even.
How about you? What do you think?
Good.
Yeah? Yours is taking in there. I'm just like,
Because it's a hey. Hey, fine. We're gonna get a price. Just kidding. It's 30. You can eat with your fingers. That's why we have a fork.
I was thinking like, holy shit, like this isn't gonna be good. That's what I was thinking.
This isn't gonna be
Yeah.
good.
oh my god, when I first saw it, it's like, I really don't really like chicken. I was like, so F me, huh?
Like South America, Mexico maybe, or
Oh really?
Asia.
I like Asia, some North Asia, because I've seen stuff like this at the Asian markets I go to.
Well, it wasn't as tough as I thought it was gonna be. It was actually pretty chewy, pretty soft.
Chewy. Yeah.
The taste was actually really good. I don't like things that are too soft and like it was like really mushy chewing into it.
No, I don't think anybody would.
Not like barbecue. You can't imagine cooking this. You can like eat this better. Not
The only
motivated.
time I ever actually really tried is, on a show like this.
Yeah, I recommend it to my fam. They like chicken and like eating stuff like this, so.
If I needed you to try it again, what was it gonna take?
I don't know. I mean, do it for free. It's not that bad. It wasn't that bad.
So it's good having you on the show.
Thanks, it's nice being here.